Do you know Gulliver's Travels? The epic by Jonathan Swift describes the fantastic journey of the English captain into a fairy tale world of giants and dwarfs. I admit I haven't read this famous classic, and yet I can join in when it comes to fantastic universes, because a trip to the corporate archives of GF is nothing less than an adventurous expedition into unknown territories of dwarfs and giants. Welcome back to a new episode of our stories from the corporate archives of GF. Today it's about measurement of technology and about man as the measure of all things. Let's start with the giants. GF Steel Foundry in Schaffhausen was the plant with the largest capacity until its closure 30 years ago. Immense castings were made here, up to 100 tons, turbines and housings for power plants, for example. The largest of its kind was this Pelton wheel for the new Colgate hydroelectric power plant in California, cast in 1967, 45 tons and a diameter of 5.5 meters. The turbine is still in operation today, after more than 50 years. A quality job with incredible precision. The company photographer documented the finished casting before it was delivered to the customer. The engineers switched to the role of a humane unit of measurement. They demonstrated the enormous dimensions of the casting. At the other end of the scale operates EDM-Technologie. With the same precision as in steel casting, only scaled down 100, even 1000-fold. The pioneers of EDM electric discharge machining at AGIE and Charmy produced molds for miniaturized parts in millimeter range, for example for the watchmaking industry. But how do you visualize size when man is no longer the measure of all things? First, the company photographers made do with matches or graph paper, until 1974, when this figure saw the light of day. The Playmobil Man. This dwarf quickly became the secret star of mechanical engineers. Here the Playmobil Man poses next to a die-cutting tool that was manufactured by AGIE in 1977 for a company in Tokyo. Whether giants or dwarfs, they have one thing in common. They bear witness to great industrial achievements of all dimensions, and to a sense of creativity and imagination that give rise to great works, whether in literature or in technology. Thank you for your attention. I'm looking forward to the next episode. See you soon.